Assalamualaikum kids. Today's topic is how to tell time in English. Most of you tell time in numbers, but after this lesson, you will be able to tell the time in English as well. Now we are starting our chapter after lesson. How to tell the time in English. Now you can see a clock and now what time is it? It's 9:05. It's 5 past 9. It's 5 past 9. Now, what time is it? It's 9:10. It's 10 past 9. It's 9:15. It's quarter past 9. Now it is 9:20. It's 20 past 9. It's 9:25. It's 25 past 9. Now it's 9:30. It's half past 9. It's half past 9. So you can see we have divided the whole clock into two portions. The first one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. For this portion we use past. For example, 9 past 5, 5 past 9, 10 past 9, 3 past 9, 4, a quarter past 9, 20 past 9, 25 past 9, and half past 9. We have divided this clock into two portions. For the next portion, we will count it anti-clockwise. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. For this portion, we will use the word past. And for this one, we will use 2. We will tell you how much time left for the another hour. Now, it's 20 half past 9. After half past 9, it's 9:35. It's 25 to 10. It's 25 to 10. You see? Now, it's 9:40, which is 20 to 10. It's 20 to 10. Now, it's 9:45 and it's quarter to 10. It's quarter to 10. After that, it's 9:50, which means it's 10 to 10. That means 10 minutes left to 10. Now it's 9:55. It's 5 to 10. And then it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. So now we will repeat it. 9 o'clock, 5 past 9, 10 past 9, quarter past 9, 20 past 9, 25 past 9, half past 9, and after that we will go anti-clockwise, that is 25 to 10, 20 to 10, quarter to 10, 10 to 10, 11 to 5 to 10, and 10 o'clock. Now it's 10 o'clock. Now it's time, the normal use time and the timetable. Now it's 1 o'clock and we can say it's 1. The next time is 1:02. It is 2 minutes past 1. We can say 2 past 1 and 1:02. Then the third one, it's 1:11. We can say it's 11 minutes past 1. 11 minutes past 1 and 1:11. After that, it is 1:15, which is quarter past 1. Quarter past 1 and we can say 1:15. 1:15. After that, 1:27. It is 27 minutes past 1. And then we can say 1:27. The both are right, just its difference in number and in English words. It's half past 1 and we can say 1:30. It's 1:36, which means it is 24 minutes to 10 to 2. That means 24 minutes left to 2 and 1:36. Both are right. 1:45, that is quarter to 2. Quarter to 2. And then 1:45. Here 1:49 and it is 11 minutes to 2. That means 11 minutes left to 2 and 1:49. 1:57, that means it is 3 minutes to 2. That means 3 minutes left to 2 and it's 1:57. Now we are discussing times of the day in English. Now the day starts with dawn. And which time is dawn? It's around sunrise. Almost 2 hours before sunrise is dawn. The time when we start our fasting. Okay. When we say early morning, it's from about 2 hours before sunrise, about 7 a.m. That is early morning. Okay. And we call it dawn. Now, the morning. Which is the morning time? Morning starts from sunrise to 12 o'clock p.m. From sunrise to 12 p.m. it's morning. If we say late morning, that means it's about 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you are waking at after 10 o'clock, we can say that you awake in late morning. Noon is 12 p.m. What's the time? Early afternoon. The early afternoon is from 12 p.m. to about 3 p.m. From 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. is early afternoon. You take your lunch in early afternoon. And which one is the afternoon? From 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. is afternoon. The time when you say good afternoon, teacher, that is from 12 p.m. to about 6 p.m. When we say that it's late afternoon, it starts from 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. Now, dawn is now you see the whole now the day start with dawn, which is early morning, and it's 2 hours before sunrise till 7 o'clock. Okay, morning is from sunrise to 12 p.m. The late morning we can say start from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Early afternoon, the time between 12 to 3 p.m. is early afternoon. Afternoon starts from 12 to till 6 o'clock, and late afternoon starts from 4 p.m. until about 6 p.m. Now we are talking about the night. The first thing of the night is dusk, which means around sundown. At the time of Maghrib, we can't say in English dusk. Now, the early evening. What is the time for early evening? It's 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Early evening start from 5 to 7 p.m. Evening start from 5 p.m. until about 10 p.m. If someone is saying I will come in evening, that means he will come after 5 o'clock and till 10 p.m. The late evening is the time starts from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. 12. It's midnight. When the date changes and the PM changes into AM, that is midnight, and it's 12. After that, it's night. Night starts from 10 p.m. until sunrise. The whole period, the whole time between 10 p.m. until sunrise is night. What is the middle of night? When we say I wake up till middle of the night, it's from about 1 a.m. until about 1 hour before sunrise. This time period is the middle of night. Okay, now you can see about the time of the day. That is dusk, which means around sundown at the Maghrib time, and then early evening. The early evening starts from 5 p.m. to about 7 p.m. Then it's come evening. Evening starts from 5 till 10 p.m. If someone is coming at your home in late evening, that means he will come at 8 o'clock to till 10 p.m. Night starts from 10 p.m. until sunrise. Midnight. Midnight is 12 a.m. and the date changes from midnight. Middle of the night. The whole period, the whole time duration between 1 a.m. until 1 hour before sunrise is the middle of time. Hopefully, this lesson will help you to understand the times, different times of the day. Thank you and Eid Mubarak.